The ingredients that you need to make a pancake is flour, a milk, an egg, white sugar, and a baking powder. First, you need to prepare a bowl, and then you have to pour a flour into the bowl, and you have to put a 4 spoons of sugar into the bowl. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, you need to put a half spoon of baking powder into the bowl. After you already put a half a spoon of baking powder into the bowl, you need to put an egg into the bowl as well. Then you need to mix it. After you already mixed it, you need to pour enough of milk into the bowl. And you need to stir it. After you mix it, it becomes a soft dough. You have to pour this dough into the frying pan. I use a frying pan because I don't have the machine for making a pancake. So I put 2 spoons into the frying pan. One. And 2. For the additional, we need to flip both sides of the dough or the pancakes until both sides become well done. After it's already well cooked, you need to put the pancake into the plate. After you put a pancake into the plate, I set up my pancake position to be like this. And then the last step is you could add a syrup or a jam and on top of the pancake to be more delicious or to make it more delicious. And I put honey syrup into the top of the pancake. And the pancake is ready to be served. Thank you!